what's going on YouTube? It's Herbie with Half More Rebuilds. We're back with another video. In this video today, we're gonna be finally painting the M37x, and we got the paint, we got everything set up. We just got the fenders in today. So today we're gonna shoot this car and paint it and clear it, and let's get it going. So these are the fenders here that just came in today, and this is the car set up, ready, prepped, sanded, wet sanded, and ready for paint. I have the paint right here. We're going with the Omni, and I'm gonna degrease it with this degreaser here before I begin to paint it. Let's get into it. So right now I just scuffed down both of these fenders so they can have some texture, so when the paint hits them, the paint will stick. Both of these fenders are scuffed down. I'm gonna degrease the car and start prepping the paint. Dry. So while we wait for that to dry, I'm going to mix the paint up and show you guys how I mix the paint. At first I was having trouble with the gun at first because I had put these new hoppers on the top and it was acting up. It wasn't letting the paint come out the gun. But now I put it back to the original, and now this is the finish of the base coat. I didn't paint the whole car on the top because it already has the base coat there, so I'm just gonna clear the spot that I painted. I'm gonna clear, and then the top I'm just gonna clear also, so it could be like blending, I guess, with the original color, and then blend the bumper out right here and clear. So hopefully that looks good. I'm prepping the clear now, and then I'll shoot the clear. First coat, a little bright tack coat. Then we're gonna hit it with the second coat, real glossy and wet second coat. Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? We finished the paint job. It came out perfect. So I'm going to show you guys the paint job right here. And also I wanted to tell you guys I got some new merch. The link is in the bio. I didn't even get it yet, but go check it out. Link in the bio. Some new merch that I just made. My merch is on the way. So I'm going to show you guys as soon as mine's come in. I'm going to put it on, show you guys the new merch. The link is in the bio. Go check out the website. Support. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'm going to show you guys how this paint job looks. It looks so good. So right now I'm going to be taking off the plastic around the whole car. This is how it came out. Very, very good. Very shiny. I touched up the bumper a little bit. It was a little spots over here on the side of the bumper. I didn't do that on camera, but I just touched up both of these sides. It was scratched up a little bit. Just touched them up. I'm going to show you guys the fenders. I put the fenders on this couch. Check the fenders out. Came out perfect. So now I'm about to take this off so you guys can watch me take this plastic off real fast, and then I'm gonna back the V up. Alright, YouTube family, thank you for watching. It's another video. Next video, probably tomorrow, if I got all the pieces and the parts, I'm going to put it together and I'm going to show you guys the fourth video and final video of me assembling it and putting it together. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe.